World War II left Europe devastated, not only physically but also socially. One of the most profound humanitarian crises following the war was the massive displacement of millions of people. Known as displaced persons (DPs), these individuals included refugees, former forced laborers, prisoners of war, Holocaust survivors, and others uprooted by the war's chaos. The story of Europe's displaced people reveals the immense challenges of rebuilding lives amid the wreckage of war. The scale of displacement. By 1945, an estimated 40 million people in Europe were displaced, far beyond the pre-war levels. This included concentration camp survivors returning to destroyed or hostile homelands, forced laborers from Eastern Europe and the Soviet Union who had been taken to work in Germany, prisoners of war released from German and Soviet captivity, ethnic minorities and refugees fleeing border changes and political persecution, people expelled from territories annexed or transferred between countries. The scale and diversity of this displaced population made the crisis unprecedented. Causes of displacement. Several factors contributed to mass displacement. Nazi policies, forced deportations, slave labor, and genocide uprooted entire communities. War destruction. Bombing and combat displaced civilians, destroying homes and infrastructure. Post-war border changes. New borders in Eastern Europe forced millions to move, often under duress. Political retribution. Ethnic cleansing and expulsions targeted Germans, Poles, Ukrainians, and others. Holocaust aftermath. Survivors faced hostility and loss, often finding no place to return. Life in displaced persons camps. The Allies established DP camps across Western Europe and Germany to house displaced people temporarily. Conditions were often harsh, overcrowded, with shortages of food, medicine, and shelter. Camps became centers for medical care, education, and attempts to rebuild community life. Many displaced persons faced uncertainty about their futures, with repatriation sometimes dangerous or unwanted. Jewish DPs in particular often resisted returning to their former homes due to anti-Semitism. Challenges of repatriation and resettlement. The post-war years involved complex efforts to repatriate or resettle displaced persons. The United Nations Relief and Rehabilitation Administration (UNRRA), and later the International Refugee Organization (IRO), coordinated aid and resettlement. Millions were returned to their countries of origin, sometimes forcibly, despite dangers of persecution. Others emigrated to new countries including the United States, Canada, Australia, and Palestine. The process was slow, bureaucratic, and fraught with political difficulties, especially amid emerging Cold War tensions. Long-term impact. The displaced persons crisis had lasting consequences. It reshaped demographics in many European countries. It contributed to the creation of international refugee law and institutions. It left deep psychological scars on survivors and communities. It highlighted the need for global cooperation in humanitarian crises. The displaced people of Europe after World War II embodied the profound human cost of war and the challenge of rebuilding shattered lives. Their experiences underscore the importance of compassion, international solidarity, and effective response to humanitarian disasters, lessons that remain crucial today.